Millions of people are losing their brain power because of depending on technology a lot. Although brain power also depends on your genes, but the people who does constant practice can increase their brain power within 21 days. Today I will share these 7 exercises that can help you to increase your brain power for sure. You should apply at least 3 exercises to see constant results. Our first exercise is multicolor text. For this you are given some letters in different colors. Now I will give you 30 seconds and every second there will be one word and you have to say in your mind the color the word will have. I am repeating, you have to choose the color only and not to spell the word written on the screen. Let's start it. Tell me in the comments how many you have guessed right. The advantage of the multicolor text exercise is that it helps your brain in many ways. It makes you think and focus better because you have to pay attention to different colors and words at the same time. This exercise also improves your memory and reading skills by making your brain work harder. Plus, it's fun and engaging, making it a great way to keep your brain active and healthy. The next exercise is shell table. There is a table in front of you. You have to focus on the middle number and then in 30 seconds you have to find numbers from 1 to 30 in ascending order. Are you ready? Let's start it. If you have found all of the numbers in just 30 seconds, then congratulations. And if not, don't worry. With some practice, you can do it very easily. When you look for numbers or letters in the grid, it helps you focus better, improving your attention span. Plus, searching for these items sharpens your vision and pattern recognition skills. With practice, you'll get faster at finding things, making you quicker and more accurate in other tasks. Overall, doing shell table regularly will make your brain fast and healthy. Blindfolded activities. This exercise will assist you to retain things easily so that you can do smaller or even some bigger tasks subconsciously without seeing them as well. For this, you should get blindfold and try to perform some small tasks like eating, writing on keyboard, or also commenting your name in the comment section of this video. The best thing you can do is to close your eyes and subscribe to I Can Explain, but please don't double tap, otherwise it will unsubscribe you to learn some awesome information. Doing small tasks while blindfolded can help you make your brain stronger because it forces your brain to use other senses like touch and hearing more. Without sight, your brain has to work harder to figure out what's happening around you. This helps you improve your focus, problem solving skills, and ability to pay attention. Plus, practicing these tasks regularly can improve how well your brain processes information, helping you become sharper and more alert in everyday life. Our next exercise is use your non-dominant hand. This is a fun exercise in which you just have to use your non-dominant hand for different kind of tasks you do with your normal hand. For example, if you do brush every day with right hand, then this time use your left hand instead. Using your non-dominant hand for everyday tasks is a simple but effective exercise to boost your brain brain power. When you use your non-dominant hand like your left hand, if you are right-handed, it challenges your brain to work in new ways. This exercise helps you to strengthen connections between the two hemispheres of your brain, improving coordination and stimulating neural pathways. Read books. Reading books is like giving your brain a super boost. When you read, your brain gets a workout, strengthening connections and expanding its capacity. It's like taking your brain to the gym. Reading helps improve memory, focus, and creativity. Plus, it exposes your brain to new ideas and perspectives, making you smarter and more knowledgeable. The more you read, the sharper your brain becomes, helping you think better and learn more. So grab a book and start exercising your brain today. It doesn't matter if you are reading fiction book or non-fiction book, but reading every day for 15 to 45 minutes can create a big change in your life. Do something new and creative daily. Doing new and creative things every day helps your brain get stronger. It's like exercising for your mind. When you try something different, your brain gets excited and starts making new connections. This makes you more creative and better at solving problems. Just like when you practice a sport, the more you do it, the better you get. So by doing fun and creative stuff every day, you are giving your brain a good workout and making it smarter and more flexible. It doesn't mean you have to do something extraordinary every time, but by just doing something challenging every day trains your mind and you feel more curious to just perform something you have never tried off. Exercise daily for 15 minutes. Exercising every day is super good for your brain. When you work out, your brain gets more oxygen and nutrients, making it work better. This helps you think clearer, remember things better, and stay focused. Plus, exercise releases chemicals that make your brain grow and stay healthy. It's like giving your brain a big hug. So whether you are running, playing sports, or dancing, getting active every day is like giving your brain a superpower boost, keeping it strong and sharp. By doing a session of 15 to 45 minutes exercise daily, you can make your mind strong with your physical body as well. These exercises will definitely help you to increase your brain power, but for that you have to remove procrastination and focus on increasing your brain. And for that you can watch both of these videos one by one. Goodbye.